Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this brief lecture on one of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism, the Four Noble Truths. In just 5 minutes, we will explore these profound truths and their significance in our lives. The Four Noble Truths were first articulated by Gautama Buddha, the enlightened teacher who founded Buddhism over 2,500 years ago. They serve as the foundation of Buddhist philosophy and offer insights into the nature of suffering and the path to liberation. So let's dive in. The first noble truth is the truth of suffering, dukkha. Buddha taught that suffering is an inherent part of human existence. It refers not only to the obvious physical and emotional pain, but also to the unsatisfactory nature of worldly experiences. Birth, aging, illness, and death, all aspects of life, are accompanied by various forms of suffering. The second noble truth is the truth of the origin of suffering, samudaya. Buddha taught that suffering arises from craving and attachment. We desire things to be different from what they are, clinging to pleasure, material possessions, relationships, and even our own self-identity. This attachment leads to a cycle of dissatisfaction and suffering. The third noble truth is the truth of the cessation of suffering, nirodha. Buddha taught that suffering can be overcome by letting go of attachments and cravings. When we free ourselves from the illusion of permanence and detach from desires, we can find peace and liberation. The fourth noble truth is the truth of the path to the cessation of suffering, magga. Buddha outlined the Eightfold Path as the way to end suffering and attain enlightenment. It consists of 8 interconnected practices: right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. These practices guide us towards ethical conduct, mental discipline, and the development of wisdom. By following the Eightfold Path, we cultivate mindfulness and compassion, nurturing a deep understanding of the impermanence and interconnectedness of all things. Through this path, we can break free from the cycle of suffering and attain liberation, known as nirvana. In summary, the Four Noble Truths teach us that suffering exists. It has an origin in attachment and craving. It can be ended, and there is a path to liberation. Understanding these truths offers us profound insights into the nature of our existence.